Imagine a world without a monarch, where Oliver Cromwell ruled as Lord Protector after Charles I's execution. Today, we explore how the Commonwealth of England attempted to establish a republic from 1649 to 1660. The Commonwealth was established on May 19, 1649, after Charles I's execution. It marked the dissolution of the monarchy and the declaration of England as a republic. During the Interregnum period, power was initially vested in the Rump Parliament and a Council of State. However, this structure was short-lived as ongoing conflicts in Ireland and Scotland required military intervention. In 1653, Cromwell dissolved the Rump Parliament and adopted the instrument of government, becoming Lord Protector. Protectorate, a period of military rule by Oliver Cromwell. Despite its military successes, particularly under Robert Blake in naval conflicts and Cromwell's campaigns in Ireland, the Commonwealth failed to establish a stable government. It relied heavily on Oliver Cromwell's leadership. Upon Cromwell's death and Richard Cromwell's brief rule, the Protectorate Parliament was dissolved in 1659. The Rump Parliament was recalled, leading to the restoration of the monarchy under Charles II in 1660. The Commonwealth's legacy is complex. It failed to establish lasting reforms, but left a lasting impact on English politics and military history, particularly through the New Model Army. What do you think would have happened if the Commonwealth had succeeded? Discuss in the comments below. Stay tuned for more historical insights.